X has just brought back voice messages in DMs. If you've been on the app a while, you might remember these from back in 2020 when it was still Twitter. They were removed last year, but they're back now as part of the new X chat system. Let me show you how they work. Sending one is really simple. Open a DM conversation in the X app and you'll see a little microphone icon. Tap and hold it. Say what you want to say and release to send. The person on the other end gets your voice message right there in the chat. It's quicker than typing, especially for longer replies. So why did they take it away in the first place? Last year, X completely rebuilt their entire messaging system from scratch. They called the new version X Chat. While they were rebuilding everything, a lot of features got temporarily removed and voice messages was one of them. Now that the rebuild is further along, they've added it back in. The bigger picture here is the X Chat platform. It's a full rebuild of how messages work on X. One of the main goals is encryption, so your DMs can be private end to end. They've had some security issues along the way and paused the encryption rollout for a while last year. But they're working through it. There's also a separate X Chat app in beta testing. There's a reason X is investing so much in rebuilding messaging. They're reportedly working on X Money, which would let you send and receive payments inside the app. For that to work, they need a secure messaging system, so voice DMs, encryption, the standalone chat, it's all building towards that. Whether it actually happens, we'll see. Have you tried the voice messages yet? Let me know in the comments whether you prefer typing or talking in DMs.